You've seen this before. The setup looks familiar, too familiar, and yet somehow it ends the same way. You tell yourself this time will be different, but it isn't. It's not the market repeating. It's you. Same hesitation, same impulse, same emotional reaction dressed in a new trade. You don't have a strategy problem. You have a loop. Every mistake you repeat is not random. It's programmed. Thoughts create signals. Signals create patterns. Patterns become habits. Habits build identity. And identity executes your trades. You think you're making decisions. You're not. You're replaying stored patterns. Your brain is not asking, what's the best trade? It's asking, what feels familiar? This is why you overtrade. Why you revenge trade. Why you break your rules, not because you lack discipline, but because your brain recognizes a pattern and completes it automatically. So the question is not how do I stop making mistakes? The real question is, can you see the pattern before it controls you? This is where pattern recognition begins. Not strategy recognition, not chart patterns, your internal patterns. The exact sequence that leads you from calm to chaos. Every mistake follows a predictable chain. A thought appears, an emotion rises, an action follows. You don't notice the thought. You react to the emotion, and then you regret the action. Pattern recognition is simple, but it requires precision. You don't wait for the mistake. You catch the moment right before it happens. Now you're going to experience it, not understand it. Experience it. Sit back, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath. Bring to mind your last bad trade, not the chart, not the loss. The moment before you entered, what did you feel? Was it urgency? Fear of missing out? A need to recover? Pause the video if needed. Stay with that moment. Now look deeper. What was the thought right before that feeling? It's moving fast. I can't miss this. I need to recover. That thought is the start of your loop. See it clearly. Thought, emotion, action. Now imagine you stop it at the thought. You don't fight it. You don't suppress it. You simply notice it. Take one more deep breath and say internally, this is the pattern. Not this is a trade. Not this is an opportunity. This is the pattern. Play the video again when you're ready, because this is where change begins. Before the market, write down your known patterns. Overtrading, revenge trading, early entry. Know them before they show up. During trading, your only job is not profit. It's recognition. The moment you feel the pull, you pause, and you ask, is this my pattern? After trading, you don't judge outcomes. You track patterns. Did you see it? Or did you become it? That's the only metric that matters. There are two traders. One reacts. One observes. One repeats the past. One rewires the future. Same market, different identity. You don't eliminate mistakes overnight. You weaken the loop one recognition at a time, until one day the pattern shows up and you don't follow it. That's the moment you're no longer the same trader. If you're serious about changing your trading, start here. Not with new strategies, not with indicators, but with awareness. Because the market doesn't control you, your patterns do.